In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 3, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Then select Connection Preferences, tap on Printing, and then use the Footprint service by clicking on it, or select Add Service, download a new one, and click on it as well. Either way, they will work the same, so after clicking on Print Service, make sure that this switcher is blue. Then wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!